This is AUDUSD and today it's Sunday, 1st of June 2014, and we are looking at the pair before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video case study for forexid Academy members. This is the H4 time frame of the pair. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. Let's go to the monthly time frame and see the big picture of the pair. We see that, as stochastics show, the pair wants to go up after a deep fall. We had a down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band and price crossed and closed above Tenkan-sen. We had a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, a fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on the monthly time frame 3 months ago. So things look, although the price is moving inside the Kumo here and theoretically everything is neutral, biases are more bullish than bearish. Let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame we see that the price has been moving below the Kumo for a while, and but we see this powerful W formation here, and by default when we see W's the price tends to go above the top, this top here, as many pips as the height between this top and one of the two lower points. If we are conservative, we can take this lower point. If we are aggressive, we can take this. So I will insert some lines here. This is the top of the W. I will not put it on the spike. Okay, and if we are conservative we can consider that the height of the W is this one, the one from the smaller from the higher low of the two. But of course anything can happen. Now let's say that this let's see how many pips this distance is. It's from 0.9680 down to, let's see, 0.8892. 788 pips, only as much. And what does this number mean, this distance, the number of these pips? We are not talking about this distance, okay, which is also possible. So as many pips, 788, almost 800 pips, is expected to be the move of the pair from this point up when it breaks this trend line going upwards. Okay, so we expect when this trend line breaks, we expect an 800 pips move. Now I'm going to remove the trend lines. This is the weekly time frame. Okay, we saw the daily, we saw the monthly. Now on the weekly we should expect to see a bullish Kumo breakout validated by Span. But since this is going to take a few weeks, uh, let's go to the daily time frame and look for a nice setup. On the daily time frame, we saw that the pair went from the upper Bollinger Band down to the lower Bollinger Band, and now it reverses, stochastics go up, and we just had a very strong price Tenkan-sen cross, a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So this is a signal for a nice 4 time frames with Ichimoku entry setup. So starting from the daily, which will be the higher time frame, we expect to see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H4. If we don't see it, we don't proceed, or we look for the opposite. But for now, if things are looking as bullish as they do on the daily, and if we just had a fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, we go to H4 and we are looking here for a strong bullish Kumo breakout validated by Span. The breakout is almost happening here, but we must wait for Span, the green line, to go above the Kumo. It is above past price action, but we also want it to be above the Kumo. So when the Span goes at this level, price will be here, so we expect this to happen at the price level of 0.9330. Okay, when that happens, we go to H4 or H1 and make sure that everything is bullish, but only when we see the breakout validated by Span. Okay, we go to H1 and see if everything is bullish. Everything is bullish, and then we go to M30 and we are looking for a nice entry from M30. And which will be the criterion to enter? We want to see a plunge like this one here. I'm going to insert small shapes. We are going to look for a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. We want to see a candlestick, a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, which is the red line of Ichimoku. We will wait for the downward move, and when the opposite happens and we see a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, then we enter long, we buy. I will insert. In this case, we had it here, then it made some additional plunge, and it continued going upwards. So here we had the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30. So that's what we are looking for. Thanks for watching and happy pips.